Every papaya's journey begins under the morning sun, hand-picked with care.
Careful hands ensure only the ripest fruits are selected for harvest.
Initial sorting in the field sets the standard for quality downstream.
Once sorted, papayas are transported swiftly to the processing facility. The journey continues across winding roads, bridging farm and factory. Every fruit is accounted for, ensuring freshness on arrival. Arrival marks the transition from nature's hands to industrial care. Careful unloading prevents bruising, maintaining the integrity of each fruit.
And so, the factory floor welcomes the papayas, ready for their transformation.
Conveyors transport fruits efficiently, keeping them organized for processing.
Each crate is weighed to monitor yield and ensure consistency.
Forklifts handle bulk movement, bridging scale checks, and storage staging.
Staging ensures organized flow, preventing bottlenecks in processing. Automation begins to guide fruits toward the first stage of preparation.
Manual oversight ensures technology moves the fruits safely and precisely. Each papaya is visible and inspected as it journeys deeper into the facility. Now, the journey transitions from transport to preparation, where quality is preserved. The factory, every member steps in with purpose, ready to maintain the chain of quality. Entry is controlled, ensuring a safe and monitored environment. The transition from office to factory is seamless, guiding workers to production.
The receiving bay orchestrates the movement of fresh fruits into the heart of production.
Conveyors guide every crate precisely to its first processing step. The scale of operations is vast, yet each movement is deliberate and coordinated.
Checks at entry maintain the integrity of the incoming harvest.
And so, the papayas are welcomed into the cleansing stage, ready for transformation. Every papaya...
Gentle scrubbing preserves the fruit while ensuring hygiene and quality.
Human oversight complements machines, catching imperfections machines might miss.
Sorting ensures that each batch is uniform in size and readiness for processing.
Consistency in the batch allows the next stages to run efficiently and precisely.
Movement through the factory is continuous, each step flowing seamlessly to the next.
Operators ensure every fruit remains on track, preventing jams and maintaining pace.
The peeling stage removes skin while preserving the fruit's shape and integrity.
With cleaning and sorting complete, the papayas are ready for transformation into products we enjoy.
Human attention complements automation, maintaining the highest standard.
Blanching preserves color and texture, preparing slices for processing.
Precise timing ensures freshness while softening the fruit for transformation.
Cooling stabilizes the slices, readying them for mixing and further processing. Mixing ensures even texture and consistency for downstream products.
Uniform blending is critical for a flawless end product.
From farm-fresh slices to carefully blended mixtures, the core processing stage sets the foundation.
Flow control ensures uniform texture and prevents wastage during the transformation. Skilled operators maintain precision, ensuring every batch meets specifications.
Pasteurization guarantees safety, extending shelf life without compromising flavor.
Temperature and timing are carefully monitored for optimal preservation. Cooling prepares the puree for packaging, retaining color and texture. Precision filling ensures each container holds exactly the right amount. Sealing and labeling prepare the product for inspection and distribution.
With transformation complete, the product is now ready for the final checks that guarantee perfection.
Integrated sensors verify every container meets exact specifications before moving forward. Diverter systems direct products efficiently, minimizing human intervention while maximizing flow. Human oversight ensures automation operates seamlessly and safely. Every sensor validates the product, catching deviations in real time. Precision robotic stacking prepares products for fast and organized packaging.
Automated flow maintains speed and order, reducing handling and risk of damage.
Shrink wrapping secures products, readying them for final distribution stages.
Through high-tech automation, the factory achieves speed, accuracy, and consistency at every step. The finishing line.
Every label is checked, confirming accuracy and consistency before dispatch. Robotic precision arranges trays flawlessly, ready for secure boxing. Boxes are filled systematically, reducing manual handling while preserving product integrity.
Sealing secures the contents, safeguarding them through storage and transport.
Every box is verified, ensuring only perfect products continue to distribution.
Automated palletizing maximizes storage efficiency and stability for transport.
Shrink wrapping the pallet guarantees safety and order during handling and transit.
Automated palletizing maximizes storage efficiency and stability for transport.
Shrink wrapping the pallet guarantees safety and order during handling and transit.
Principles. With precision complete, products are ready to join the warehouse, poised for delivery. Even at this stage,
Each product is visually and physically assessed to maintain flawless quality. Samples are analyzed in the laboratory to ensure consistency and safety.
precision testing verifies texture, flavor, and purity in every batch.
Data is logged meticulously, forming a complete quality record for each shipment.
Automated and human checks combine to guarantee perfection before leaving the line.
Only products passing all inspections proceed, ensuring reliability and safety for consumers.
Supervision guarantees that human expertise complements automated systems seamlessly. With quality assured, the products are prepared for the final journey toward consumers. Pallets are carefully
Forklifts ensure safe and efficient storage of finished products.
Each shipment is coordinated precisely to meet delivery schedules. Organized staging makes the transition from storage to transport seamless.
Careful loading preserves product integrity during transport. With pallets secured, the journey continues toward retailers and consumers.
And this is how modern factories produce papaya products from start to finish.
From farm to factory, every step is a story of precision and care.